Stop signing up for programs. Here's what nobody tells you about your first commission on YouTube. It's not the missing website killing your earnings. It's the moment you join program number 4 and start promoting everything to nobody. One product, one link, one video. That's the whole game, and I'll walk you through it right now. First, let's make this simple. Marketing is you promoting someone else's product. Someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no website, no customer service, no handling returns or dealing with angry emails at midnight. You're the middleman with a camera and a link. That's the whole job. So stop overcomplicating it and actually start. Now here's where most beginners blow it. They sign up for program number 1, then 2, then 3. By the time they hit program number 4, they've got links scattered everywhere, half-finished videos about products they barely understand, and 0 commissions to show for it. They think more options means more money. It doesn't. It means more confusion for the viewer and more scattered energy for you. Think about it. If you make a video about web hosting, then a video about email tools, then a video about a fitness supplement, then a video about a budgeting app, who is your channel for? Nobody knows. Include YouTube's algorithm. Your videos don't reinforce each other. Your audience never builds momentum. And you quit before you ever earn a single dollar, convinced affiliate marketing doesn't work. It works. You just sprayed when you should have aimed. Here's the fix, and it's almost embarrassingly simple. One product, one link, one video at a time. Pick one offer actually worth promoting. Something that solves a real problem, pays a real commission, and you can talk about it without faking enthusiasm. Then build every video around that one solution. Different angles, different questions, different audiences, but all roads lead to the same link. Why does this work? Because your commissions stack instead of scattering into nothing. Video 1 sends a trickle. Video 2 adds to it. Video 5 compounds on top of all of them. Every piece of content you publish reinforces the last one. Your channel starts to look like a resource, not a yard sale. One product, one link, one video. That's the method. No website required. If you're serious about building a real residual income with one proven system instead of juggling 7 that pay you nothing, go to homebizsimple.com for a free masterclass and find out how 80 cents of every dollar comes back to you with a done-for-you sales system that handles the closing. The link is in the description below. Okay? Okay.